With today's performance and growth demands on storage, businesses are forced to seek alternatives to traditional storage. Some of the most common challenges include finding a way to do more with less, reducing time-consuming processes and provisioning while accelerating response to changes in the storage environment. The transition from traditional to modernized storages like vSAN and vVols can help alleviate many of the storage challenges faced by IT today by implementing, deploying, and managing data faster through a single management interface. Let's take a look at how modernized storage solutions provide higher efficiency and simplified management capabilities for businesses today. Maintaining numerous LUNs increases complexity. Deployment and management of workloads and storage in traditional storage environments are often a time-consuming and error-prone manual process. With the modernized storage solutions, the capabilities of the data store can be easily managed and customized, depending on customers' needs and application requirements, by using Storage Policy-Based Management, or SPBM. VMware's SPBM allows storage data services to be delivered on a per-application basis. A storage policy contains one or more rules that can define service levels, performance, space efficiency, or even replication. SPBM policies can be applied to the VM or individual VM disk, allowing for a much more efficient and granular management of your virtual environment. You no longer need to navigate through time-consuming communications and complex processes with other silos for changes. With modernized storage, it's easier to manage unpredictable changes while saving time, money, and resources. Some of the manual processes require longer times, but when managed via policies in the vCenter UI, you save time and lower the risk of losing valuable configuration information. With traditional storage, scaling can be an arduous, challenging, and time-consuming process. Modernized storage transforms scaling into flexible routine operations that can be made at any time, usually without impact. Managing storage via policies allows you the flexibility to allocate and configure your storage in the most efficient way needed for your business. Storage policies enable you to define capabilities and apply them as per application-specific requirements, making your storage environment more agile. Another aspect of traditional storage is the inability of the array to assess what kind of data is stored, since it only sees data as I/O. Modern virtual storage infrastructure allows both vSphere and the array to know precisely what each VM is, what kind of data, and how it should be managed. With the storage provider's plugins, there is now complete communication between the storage and the vSphere environment. By utilizing SPBM to manage external storage, it is no longer needed to physically migrate VMs to different data stores to get different capabilities. Now, by changing a policy, the VM will get the new capabilities in that policy. The modernized data store infrastructure allows you to have greater visibility of what's going on under the hood, to monitor and analyze your storage environment, allowing important decisions to be made with comprehensive information without the need to gather information from different sources. To learn more about VMware-powered software-defined data center, visit vmware.com/solutions/software-defined-data center.